Hey everyone, are you a Canadian that travels to the USA and when you're down there you purchase gas, but it won't let you pay at the pump because you don't have a zip code? Well, today I'm going to show you a hack that'll help you pay at the pump while you're in the USA. So check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Explorer, and if you are new to this channel, it is all about travel, exploring, and discovery. So make sure you click that subscribe button and also the bell notification so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. So are you a Canadian that when you travel to the USA, maybe you have a rental car or a personal vehicle and you go to fill up and pay at the pump and it wants a zip code and you don't have a zip code because you have a postal code? So today I'm going to show you a tip that I've learned, and I've used it in Florida, California, Washington State, and Idaho, and it's worked in those states for me. I'll show you this tip on how to get around this, so let's get right into it. So you pull up to the pump and all you want to do is pay at the pump, but it won't let you because you don't have a zip code. You don't want to run inside and prepay and then run back in to get your receipt after. So what you're going to do is have a look at your postal code. And in this situation, we are gonna take the numbers from our postal code. So we'll use this example, the 1, the 6, and the 2. We're gonna take those numbers. And then we're actually gonna add 00 to the end. And this is the number that you're gonna use for the zip code. Now, of course, make sure you use your postal code, the one that's attached to your credit card file. So I'd love to hear from you. Have you used this method while you're traveling in the United States? Leave a comment in the comment section below of what state you used it in, and also if it worked for you. This will help other travelers out. Also, if you did like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Explorer because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thanks for watching, and take care.